So this is the explanation of how to solve the first few problems on the chemistry Stoich lab. You'll notice on the lab I have highlighted the mass of foil that you started the lab with, and the mass of residue I just used another student's numbers in order to figure out. Calculation number one was the balanced equation from day one. Notice I'm not giving you the exact equation because I don't want to give you answers. However, you had aluminum plus a solution making a new compound and a new solid. That new solid is what we have to be aware of, because in question 2 you're using stoichiometry. Start with your grams of aluminum. Again, your number is going to vary from 0.4 to 0.5. You have 3 conversions to do to get to the grams of the new solid. Remember the new solid from the balanced equation right there. So that is how you do calculation number 2, is from this equation, go from aluminum to the new solid. Recall, after let's sit out overnight, it created that patina. What happened is that new solid from here reacted with carbon dioxide and oxygen. So you're actually going to have a synthesis reaction with 3 reactants and 1 product, copper 2 carbonate. You need that balanced equation in order to do question number 4. Question number 4, start with your answer from number 2. Remember, number 2, you solve for the grams of the new solid from aluminum. Start with that and do your 3 steps of Stoich to solve for grams of copper 2 carbonate. That grams of copper 2 carbonate is what we would refer to as the theoretical amount. How much of that green patina should you have created? You need that value to calculate your error. Theoretical is right here for number 5 and here. The experimental value one student had is 2.75 grams. Some students are going to have close to 1 or 2% error when they calculate this. Other students are going to have closer to 20% error or somewhere in between. So, one more time. Here's your data table. Take your mass of aluminum. Here's your balanced equation. Start with aluminum. Do your 3 steps of Stoich to solve for the grams of the new solid created from that first equation. Write your second equation. The new solid reacted with the air to make copper 2 carbonate. Take that number from question number 2 and do 3 steps of Stoich to solve for grams of copper 2 carbonate. That's the green solid that you created. Because once you have that, that is what you plug in here for number 5. And lastly, the experimental value is what you measured off your filter paper from day 2.